my plants from the Biosphere Reserve today. I'll show you what I got.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
So we got some native plants, native wildflower plants to our area. We have some blue vervain. We've got some dense blazing star. We've got black-eyed Susans. And we've got some flat-topped asters. So we have a bunch of different plants, and I look forward to planting these with you soon. Today, I am gardening in a banana hammock. See, my plants, my beans, my watermelons, and my sunflowers are doing so well. Kind of getting a little out of control today. So I'm gonna add more. My watermelon's looking awesome. I'll do a little close up in a minute. But otherwise, I'm gonna plant the rest of these, give them a water, and let them do their thing. My watermelon is right here. I just planted some black-eyed Susan, dense blazing star, and I forget what that last one is. And then we have our beans, and they are meant to climb up there. So I'll give them a little hint. There's some more beans here, the scarlet runners that I planted earlier. There's some more. So everything's looking quite fabulous. And I'm excited about that. So I'll give them a water after I'm done everything. Is looking quite sad because the chippies get in here and they've so far eaten all the sunflowers. The watermelons are pretty sad, and the beans are almost, there's one left. So I don't know. Those chipmunks are little brats. They run around in the apiary and just eat honeycomb and dead bees and stuff all day long. I just wanted to give you a quick look at the hives. We did splits a few days ago now. So I just wanted to show you how they're doing. So Crazy Hive, it's way less crazy. This is a split of Crazy and the one back there, which was the one with all the queen cells in it. That's Dopey Hive, which is currently being treated. They're looking really strong, so that's good. There's baby girl's hive, all painted. We moved it to the location of the other hive that we split from so that it could get all the foragers coming back there. So far looking good. We're gonna check it probably after a full week to see how that virgin queen is doing that we put in there. Flow hive is actually looking pretty quiet, which is concerning. This is the one that we put the queen cell into. So I'm not really sure. Well, actually all the hives on this side are looking quiet, which is, I guess, what I expected, because they don't get sun first thing in the morning, which is now. The other side does, and then this side gets sun later in the day. So it is what I expected, but I just wished, you know, maybe I'll point them all one way or fit the flow hive on the other side or something. We'll see. We're not fully done arranging everything yet. This was the hive from behind it. Yeah, so behind on the other side, and that's where we moved the split from this one. And then that one there is the hive from the other side. I'm gonna take the entrance reducer off, but yeah, they're looking pretty good. Maybe 27 degrees Celsius today, so it's gonna be a hot one. Sums up the apiary planting. I'm done planting. I will try and give you updates on how they're doing, but they look pretty good from here. And then there's the one behind us. So it's looking pretty snazzy. Have a great day, everyone. We'll be checking on our splits in the near future and just seeing how everything's doing and everyone, if they're accepting their queens, if their queens have mated and hatched. So that's the exciting part. By the way, if you like my banana hammock, let baby girl know, because she bought it for me as a joke to wear on this channel. So if you like it, comment below for baby girl and encourage her to make a fool out of me.